Good morning, guys. Our previous discussion we discussed about the wetland and ended with the classification of wetland. There is 3 categories of wetland, which were marine, inland, and wetland. So today we continue with the function or significance of wetland. Function or significance of wetland. So wetlands have different functions as follows. Number 1, wetland control floods. So how it means a wetland prevent flooding by holding water, much like a sponge, and they keep rivers level at the normal. So it became as a sponge which tend to control water. Another, wetland provide vital or important habitat for aquatic organisms, particularly fish, waterbirds, mammals, and insects. So more animals migrate from different places for reproduction. So this providing vital or important habitat for aquatic organisms. Another important of wetland attract tourists is a natural beauty. So when you see wetlands, it became very natural and it became very beautiful sometimes. So sometimes we call aesthetics, and they provide opportunity for recreation such as boating, swimming, birds watching, and etc. So most people are attracted to stay that area. Also, wetlands provide opportunities for scientific researchers due to the different plants and animal species. So in wetland there are a lot of different animal and species which live there, so it tends to provide opportunities for scientific research. Another function was wetland provide water for domestic and industrial use. Provide water for domestic and industrial use. So different activities where human beings tend to get fetch water in that area. Also, another function, wetland modify climate through evaporation and precipitation. So simply, wetland cannot dry, so always it becomes. So through this is where now it tends to modify environment. So this hydrological cycle became easy. Also, it providing water balance. Another function, wetland are the source of employment as they provide fish, that is local fishing and commercial fishing. So most people are being employed through a variety of that fish. Is where now they tend to establish their different activities, including fishing activities. Another function, wetland are the kidney of the environment. Wetlands are the kidney of the environment as they help to control water flow and filtering out the sedimentation and the vegetation matter and converting chemicals into usable form. So through that is when it tends to control water flow and the filtering out of the sedimentation and the vegetation matter and converting chemical into usable form. Another function, wetland helps in balancing the ecosystem of the earth's surface. Wetland helps in balancing the ecosystem of the earth's surface. And the last function of wetland control erosion. Wetland control erosion, especially coastal wetland, due to its ability to absorb the energy created by ocean currents, which could degrade the coastal region. So during the movement of water in the ocean, there are ocean currents. So where there is wetland located in the certain area is where now through this ocean current it becomes difficult for soil erosion. But if there is not, it's where now erosion became easy. So wetland control erosion, especially in coastal wetland, due to the ability of its ability to absorb the energy created by ocean currents, which could degrade the coastal region. So thank you. This is the end of our discussion today. Next discussion we'll discuss the threat of wetland. Thank you for listening. So for more information you can find me telephone number 0762 41 51 90, 0762 41 51 9th, so you can get more information either for any question and etc. Thank you.